Happy Sunday! Today is June 9th, 2024. It's a Sunday nga, and then it's already 8:09 in the morning. At medyo late kaming nagising this morning kasi wala lang, hindi kami nag-set ng alarm kasi weekend and we're making the most of the weekend kasi usually pag weekdays maaga kaming nagigising. So, ayun, maganda yung tulog namin last night and we feel well rested. And today we are, hi, Scans here. We are going out for lunch today with the family kasi we will be celebrating my birthday in advance. So, kain kami ng lunch sa labas. So, for breakfast, magsi-cereal. Light breakfast lang kasi medyo heavy nga yung kakainin naming lunch today. So, join us! Kain tayo! Usually, ito lang talaga yung kinakain namin or waffles. Yun lang for breakfast. So, let's eat! So, guys, tapos na ako kami ni Ken mag-breakfast and he wanted me to give my birthday present and I asked him if I can film it and he said yes. So, thank you, my love! So, pwede ko i-film yung pag-open ko ng birthday gift niya sa akin. So, I'm ready! So, Ken's here. My love, show them your hands. So, he's here! So, ito yung birthday present ni Ken for me. Actually, may idea na ako, but then, iba pa rin pag andito na sa harapan mo, tapos bubuksan mo na. So, mabigat siya, guys. It's heavy. It's quite heavy. So which one would you like me to open first? So first, I'll open the card first. I'll read the card. First card with like, for my wonderful wife.
Yeah.
So, guys, usually, hindi usually, but all the time, pag may mga special occasions like Christmas, Valentine's, and birthdays, nag-exchange kami ni Ken ng cards. Even when we're still like in a long-distance relationship, yun talaga yung dapat hindi namin makalimutan. So, we always give each other cards. Right now? So, since kakatapos lang ng wedding namin like two months ago, it's my first birthday card na nakalagay ay for my wonderful wife. Thank you. Thank you, love. So I'm gonna open the present now. So first present is it's a water bottle! Yay! Thank you! Actually, my backstory to there's a like story behind this water bottle. Actually, for Ken's birthday, I got him this one, a blue colored water bottle. And then he liked it so much that naisipan niya na to get me same water bottle for my birthday but pink color kasi ito yung mga favorite colors namin. Thank you. I'm gonna use this today. Can you give me my old? Ito yung old water bottle ko. This one. So hindi siya hindi siya katulad nito na may tawag dito, insulation, yeah. So pag malamig yung nilalagay mo na water dito, so after a while is nagiging hot water na siya pag iniiwan mo sa sasakyan. But ito is it stays cold. My water stays cold. So thank you. Thank you, Alan. It's really the same brand, right? Same brand. I love it. So next present is, yay, chocolates. Oh, mahilig kami ni Ken sa chocolates, and ito rin yung usually especially nung long distance pa kami ni Ken, nagpapadala kami ng chocolates sa each other. So nung first meeting din namin ni Ken, it was my birthday nung dumating siya sa Philippines. Ito rin yung dinala niyang chocolate for me. Yeah? Right, my love? This is the same chocolate that you gave me on our first meeting. So, may mga story behind sa mga gifts na binibigay ni Ken. So, thank you. It's very thoughtful of you. So, we will, me and Ken will eat this together. We'll share the chocolates. It's a baby. Guys. Medyo malaki siya. It's a candle! Yay! Thank you! Thank you, my love! Actually, dito kasi sa bahay is cold water lang palagi. And then sa Philippines kasi, nung nasa Pinas pa ako, hindi ako masyado umiinom ng cold water. Usually, hindi tap water, like, ano lang, yung, hindi tap water, but yung, ano lang, yung regular water lang na sa yung sa tabletop na dispenser. Hindi ako masyadong umiinom ng malamig na tubig. So, nung pagdating ko dito is, yun nga, palaging cold water, and then, namiss ko yung, yung regular temperature lang na water. And, although may Keurig naman, plus, yung Keurig kasi is, ginagamitan ng pods, and every time na may gumagamit ng pods is medyo may mga, ang tawag dito, may mga sediments sa water every time na nagpapainit ako ng water. So na-mention ko kay Ken, it would have been nice pag yung hindi ko na kailangang linisin yung Keurig, but okay lang naman sa akin kasi parang nasanay na rin ako sa cold water. But then, Ken got me this. So, thank you, my love. Oh, hi, Peach. Thank you. Hi, Peach. Wala, isa pa yan. Thank you, my love. Hindi rin ako masyadong mainom ng coffee. Hindi naman araw-araw. But may mga times lang na gusto mo uminom ng tea or yung chocolate drink. This will be perfect. Ginagamit din naman namin yung Keurig, but minsan hindi kasi ako sanay. Yung sa akin yung kinukutaw, yung sinistir mo yung tapos ikaw mismo yung naglalagay ng powder sa cup. Kinukutaw. Yay! Thank you! Same brand with our rice cooker. So, dito yung rice cooker namin. Yung rice cooker namin is gifted to us by Ken's best friend. So, alam niya na rice is life. So, binigyan niya kami ng rice cooker. Oh, wow. This is very nice. What does it come with? Thank you. Thank you, my love. I like it. I love it. I love everything. I love the gifts, but I love the giver most. Hi! Hi, my love! So, na guys? It's now, what time is it? 5:22 na ng hapon. And, nag-lunch kami with the fam. Earlier, it was my son's birthday celebration with the family at Jim and Nick's. So, ako yung pinabili nila kung saan ko gusto kong kumain, and I picked Jim and Nick's kasi meron kasi silang sikat sila dito for their barbecue, and then yung pulled pork nila is parang guys, parang lechon. So parang na din, parang kumain na rin ako ng lechon sa aking birthday. Thank you, my love. So ang sarap guys. So kumain ako ng pulled pork, tapos merong french fries and baked beans, and masarap din yung biscuits nila. Yung biscuits nila dito ay parang yung muffin sa atin. So biscuits yung tawag nila. Ayun, so we all had a great time, and then after our lunch, we went home for dessert kasi binilan nila ako ng cookie cake na may tawag nito, dedication. So makita ko sa inyo ang picture ng aking birthday cake. So, ayan yung aking birthday cake. And syempre, napapicture kami ni Ken. Ayun. So, I'm very happy, although namimiss ko yung syempre sina mama, papa, and my brother sa Philippines. But kaka-video call ko lang sa kanila, and then we talk for a while, for a bit, and hope na kami soon. Hope na makikita ko sila again soon. Either sila yung pupunta dito or kami yung uuwi sa Philippines soon. And ayun, so right now, if you're wondering kung saan kami papunta na naman, we are going to Kohl's kasi maghahanap kami ng shirts and ankle socks for Ken. Why are you laughing, Mala? It's okay. Meron kaming secret, guys. We have a secret. We have a secret. Yeah, just something funny na nangyari kanina. So ayun lang, yun, papunta kami ng Kohl's, and then after that, busog pa kami masyado guys. It's already 5:25, and usually nagdi-dinner kami ng around 6:30, but sobrang busog pa namin, ewan ko. But kung hindi naman kami kakain, magugutom naman kami like in the middle of the night, so need namin kumain talaga. So we'll see. Kahapon nag-McDonald's kami for dinner, and tonight hindi ko alam. We'll see kung ano yung cravings namin for tonight. Initially nag-isip kami na baka sandwich, but tingnan namin, update ko na lang kayo. So, sana makapag-vlog ako while nandun kami sa Kohl's. So, see you guys there. Dito na kami sa Kohl's. And alam niyo naman, pag pumunta kami ng mga department stores, doon ako dumidiretso sa mga clearance. Kasi mura. More. Update ko kayo mamaya kung may makita akong may mabili man ako. Ayan. Thank you. So, dyan yung clearance. Oh, wala nang clearance, guys. So, wala masyado mapagpilian ng mga ankle socks, guys. So, merong Nike, meron din Under Armour. Yan lang. Walang mga Burlington dito. Charot. Mga Puma. I think, yeah, this one. You like this?
Socks. These are ankle.
But they have the white ones here.
Here we go.
Yeah. That looks good. Is that a pack of 6?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're on sale for $21.
Okay, are they on sale?
Mm-hmm.
That's good. And dito lang pala yung clearance, guys. Yan. Up to 70% off. Tingnan nga natin kung ano, worth it. Nahanap ko na shorts. Additional shorts. Kasi sobrang init, guys. Ayun yung magpantalon talaga. Hindi carry. So waffles for dinner because why not? Thank you. Sobrang busog, guys. Guys. I'm so stuffed. Thank you for the dinner treat, my love. Thank you.
Ayos na yan.
Matagal na namin gusto mag Waffle House. Tapos, nung nakaraan last time kasi, nung plan namin pumunta doon, they were so packed. And it was early, not so early in the morning, maybe around 8 o'clock. Tapos, syempre, breakfast, maraming tao. So, hindi na lang kami tumuloy. Nag-jacks na lang kami. 24 hours naman sila. At ito yung, ngayon lang kami nakapunta doon. But si Ken, madalas siyang pumunta doon, kumain doon before. But it's been, how long? Yeah, it's been years since nakakain siya doon, and ngayon lang siya ulit nakabalik with me. Oh, sobrang sarap ng waffles nila, guys. Iba sa yung mga waffle mix na ginagawa namin sa bahay, or even yung waffle na yung frozen. Iba siya. Masarap siya, guys. And ayun, sobrang busog ko. By the way, it's already, oh wow, is that a car?
Yeah.
Ay, sayang, hindi ko makikita sa inyo, guys. Tesla?
No, that's like a, I don't know what kind of car that is.
Weird looking siya, guys. Sayang, hindi ko napakita sa inyo. Weird looking siya, but they put the Tesla logo in front of their car.
Oh, they did?
I don't know. I'm not sure, was it? It looks like a Tesla logo. Anyway, so, ayun. Sobrang busog ko, guys. Sobrang busog namin.
Oh, not too much.
Yun. So, it's, by the way, 6:58 na ng gabi. Gabi, pero tingnan nyo. May araw pa. Araw. So, yun. That's basically our Sunday. I-close ko na sana, but pakita ko pala sa inyo mamaya yung napamili namin. Char. Hindi naman marami, but yung lang, kay Ken lang. Wala akong napiling shorts pala. So, we'll see. Before, hindi ko alam kung makakabili pa ako before the trip kasi magiging busy kami next weekend. May mga ganap din kami, may mga within the week mga kalabas. Update ko kayo. Char. Pauwi na kami guys. And i-haul ko lang mamaya yung yung nabili namin sa Coles. So see you guys sa bahay. Hi! So bahay na kami. Pakita ko lang sa inyo quickly kung ano yung napabili namin sa Coles. Basically, bumili kami ng socks ni Ken. So, 2 pack of 6 na socks. And then, 2 t-shirts. Yan. At saka ito. Same loading, same design but different colors. Ayun lang guys. At alam nyo ba, isa sa mga na ko dito is, di ba sa Philippines, usually, pag bumibili tayo ng t-shirt is, kinukuha nila yung hanger. Dito is, pinapadala nila sa, guys, sa customer. So, depende na lang sa'yo kung gusto mong dalhin or iwan mo lang dun sa counter. But usually, hindi nila tinatanggal sa hanger. Yun lang yung na-observe ko dito. So, marami na kaming collection ng hangers. And merong isang store dito na one time is pumunta kami doon. Bumili lang yung si mom, yung mother-in-law ko ng isang blouse. Tapos, nag-offer siya guys na bigyan niya kami ng mga hangers. So, ayun, binigyan niya kami ng mga 2 dosen ng hangers. O, diba? Nakasave ka na. So, ayun lang. And then, I hope na enjoy nyo tong vlog na to. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope to see you guys on my next one. God bless.